Hey, are you playing music? Stephanie. C-3PO, is that you? Are you playing music?
Can't see anything.
Stephanie, are you playing music?
I'm just one minute video.
No, I'm in the store right now. I'm sorry if it's loud.
Okay, go ahead, Christian.
Okay, so here's the Christmas present from all of us, and once you open it, then we'll
H&M.
do some explanation for it. There's like a little flap at the top that you can kind of pull.
Yeah.
And we're recording it just in case some who want to see it who are
Yeah,
not.
Rachel's camera.
Okay. So read it out loud. You're not reading it out loud.
Paid to the order of Bobby and Christy Aborn, Friends Who Love You Incorporated, 555 Destination Heaven, Christmas 2000. 2 round-trip flights to Houston, Texas. Honeymoon in Texas. Have fun. $360 to wine and dine on us. We love you. Have fun.
And if you look on the back, that's everyone who's actually contributed. And what this is a honeymoon for those who have not been on a honeymoon yet. And it's simple, but Mama Huss is going to pick you guys up from the airport. We're going to fly you there. She's going to take you to her cabin. Y'all are going to spend as long as you want at the cabin. She's going to pick you up, take you back to the airport, and bring you back to us. And you have $360 to wine and dine while you're there. And you have a week to purchase your ticket.
And we really just wanted you guys to know that like everyone loves you so much, and it was not anything for people to want to contribute to this, and a lot of people said that they considered it a tithe because of how much you guys give to our community.
That's awesome.
And they were like, oh yeah, that'll be like how I tithe this month. So you guys have been such a blessing to us, and we wanted to bless you back.
I don't know what to do.
There's something in there for Ray too.
Oh yeah, there's more.
Huh?
Are they crying?
Yes.
Are they crying?
Oh, dear Grandma and Grandpa. Oh, can Ray come to my 5-day consecrated retreat? Silent virginity.
Love America.
Oh, that's great.
Me and Ray will be taken care of.
America's invited Ray over.
That's so cute.
Oh, wow. What do we say? Thank you so much.
So the logistics of it are just that I have the money and I have the money, and you can't have the money though. I have to book the flight for you.
We have to book
It's in the Bank of Christie at the moment. And so we're going to book the flight. Y'all just need to think of the time when y'all want to go. This is why I was trying to figure out days that I could have, but we decided not to book the flight ahead of time.
Just in case.
Just in case. But all of us are here.